Hello, gamer. Today I will show you how to fix and replace Razer Kraken X gaming headset, broken audio cable. When left side or right side not working, or when mic not working. Here you can clearly see that an amateur has already tried to fix this Razer headset, but without success. Techcrew D will help you to fix it like new. To fix the headset, you will need to buy a new 3.5mm 4-pole aux cable. You can also use the old one, but we'll put a new one, because we want it longer too. You will also need super glue, head shrink tubing, a soldering iron, and various tools. Start by removing the earpad cushion. This can easily be pulled off, using your thumb. Loosen all 5 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Open the headphone housing. The next step is to unscrew the volume control board, as the wires are soldered to it. Here is a close-up of the wires color and wiring on the volume control board. Also remove the microphone mute button board. Here is also a close-up of the wires color and wiring on the mic boards. Cut the damaged wire. Cut the new audio cable to the length you need. Pull the old wire out of the cable fixing part. This part will be needed for the new wire. This will not be easy, but it must be done. You can use a drill. The metal ring will interfere with the process. Once you get it out, it will be easier to remove the old cable parts. Once the fixing part has been cleaned of the old cable, push the new cable through, or the old cable if you use for repair the old cable. It won't be easy, but with a little patience, it can be done. Then with a sharp paper knife, and the aid of fire, remove the cable outer jacket, but carefully so as not to damage the internal wires. The jacket needs to be removed long enough, so that the wires are long enough, that they can then be easily soldered to the board. Distribute all wires by color, but very neatly. The smallest wire at the wrong color, and the headphones will not work correctly. In total, the new cable will have 4 wires: gold, blue, green and red wire. Red color is mic signal wire, gold ground wire, green is left channel, and blue right. The gold color wire from the mic mute board untwist, and tin, it will be an extra 5th wire, for our new cable. Unsolder old white wire from board. Solder the mic wire of the new cable, in our case it is red color wire. Solder the gold wire on top of the new wire. Unsolder old wires also from volume control board. Solder gold wire from mute button board to ground contact. Then solder the right channel wire from the new cable, in our case blue wire. Then solder the left channel, for us it is green, and solder back the red wire, that came off during the soldering process. The result should be like this. Cut off the heat shrink tubing, and stretch it with the help of the clamps, so that it can be placed on the cable fixing part. Cut another, smaller heat shrink tube, and stretch it with the help of clamps, so that it can be placed on the 3.5mm jack housing. Attach the heat shrink tube. Cut off a small piece of insulating tape, and stick it on the volume board contacts. Put back the mute function board. Put back the volume control board too, and screw it on. Put the cable fixing part in the place provided. Adjust the length of the cable, so as not to tear the wires off the board. Attach the shrink tubing to the cable fixing part. Put the cable fixing part back. Check that the headphone housing can be fitted, and that the new cable does not interfere. If okay, fix the new cable with superglue, and screw the headphone housing tight. Screw in all 5 screws. Take the ear pad cushion seam side down. The edge of the ear cup needs to go into the groove of the headphone housing. Once you put edge of ear pad in, hold it with your fingers, so it doesn't jump out, and pull the rest of the section into the groove. Do this several times until the ear pad is in place. That's it. Congratulations. Let's put foam filter on the mic, to improve the recording quality by removing the breath puff noise. This is the result. Saved a lot of money, and the headphones work again. Links to new replacement cable will be in the video description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. To help me grow and make many more good money saving do-it-yourself videos on headphone repairs. Good luck.